Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u antor news.
Ki artli parliamentary seat hajala Meghalaya kata ka Shillong bat katura kide ki belabu bah nagabenta ki schedule tribe na pedeng jong ki sanspa saukalai tli ki parliamentary constituency ha Lok Sabha saupunyo tli ki seat kide ki belabu bah nagabenta ki schedule tribe bat prap sau tli ki belabu bah nagabenta ki schedule caste Nagalang jong SK Tiwari ubri Chief Electoral Officer ulai tho ba ka Election Commission jangari India kalapan bana ba ka Election Lok Sabha ka bakhat phra jangari kanlong ha ge nyol tli ki wat ki jelang ki beran syakathan syatei lamingi jangari kin thep vote ha ka wat ka banengkong harangkat ki jela ki bisathi jangari ha ka khat khandai tere ku yayong arjar arpsau ka jing thep vote jong ki khandai phonyo klor ngut ki nong thep vote kanlong habaro ki jela kari ha ki shipau lak tam ki polling station hadu ar lak khanyo hajar sis pangut ki nong thep vote jong jela Meghalaya u Chief Election Officer ka jela SK Tiwari kumju wat ka ECI CEC ulang ba kani kata masa ka riti sencar pajba kalong manla ki kendong ki kensrat jong kari ka Election Commission of India kala shim ya barok ki sinjam ki badon kam ban pentikna ba ka jipnia bet ya ki election kanlong ka bakhoj bat om ka bayasa siliang da ka bong bangin penpoilot sa man ki jaka la ka dei ha ki lum ki jaka basop tha lani ki pedang jong ka khlau kenang bagi nong thep vote jongi kinomat ki jinge ong ukumar ula penti beru bagi jing peran kampura ki kor technology ban pedang ki jing ujor ban ai jing bet lani ban register ki jing ut jing nam haba pentip ka ECI kalawan ra ya ki lat trekam ban te lakam ya ke pisa kaksa bat ka jing pen sapriang ya ki khubor lamler la dep ban tha sya ki bor khmi bakin te lakam ya ki lat ban ya halanti ke babakala ngin pej praman ya ke jing sam ya ki jing ai sumpha ka kiat bat ka jing pen thep pisa online ula ban rap ki bangkin habru ban ai ya ka kai phot sya ka ECI man la ka sngi ban pentip ikino kino ke jing thep pisa bar ki jing se pisa ki ba isan khamat ka ECI kala Maham ro ya ki sengsan perthai bakim dei ban ya yelap election da ka bakan tho simet Henry ban yelap halor ki issue bat kinong rem kala Maham ro ba om dei ban penun kam ya ki khna ha kono kono korkom ha ka por yelap election ula kedo bagi khubor lamler bat ki jingpen sapriang ya ki khubor thok ki dei kam ki basok ya bahana kaliang jong ka Election Commission bat kani ke jure nadu bami ki social media kala Maham ro ye ki nong shna khubor ki balam ler bakin sya pen saja da ke bateng e kat kum ki an ki kanun bat kala ibor ye ki officer bakin pendu jaj ye ki
Honorable Chief Election Commissioner of India has made a press conference today and the schedule of the Lok Sabha elections has been announced for the 18th Lok Sabha elections. As per that schedule, the elections of the Lok Sabha in respect to Meghalaya state is concerned, it will be in the first phase as per the schedule given here. So, Meghalaya has 2 parliamentary constituencies and the date of the issue of notification is 20th March 2024. Last date for filing nominations will be 27th March 2024 on Wednesday. Scrutiny of nominations will be on 28th March 2024. And last date of withdrawal of candidature is 30th March 2024. Polling will held on the 19th April 2024 and votes will be counted on the single day across the country and that will be on the 4th June 2024. And as per fact related to elections in Meghalaya is concerned, we have 2 parliamentary constituency, Shillong ST and Tura ST. Shillong comprises 36 assembly segment and Tura comprises 24 assembly segment and across the 12 districts altogether. So, Meghalaya has total population of 29,66,889 as per 2011 census and we have total projected population as per 2024 is 34,32,529. We have recently completed our special summary revision, and as on 5th January 2024, we have total 22,17,100 electors, out of which 10,94,947 male and 11,22,150 female voters and 3 third gender voters are in E-roll of Meghalaya. As per EP ratio in 2024, it is 646, which was 507 in 2018, and gender ratio is also 1025, which is more than the ER ratio in 2018, that was 1019. So total service voters we have 3,835. Total PWD voters we have 11,179. We have 5 NRI electors. Photo in electoral roll has already 100% completed, and it is also been prepared accordingly. Meghalaya agency and the state agencies also accordingly to man the international border through the BSF or other paramilitary forces wherever they are, and accordingly the BSF and other paramilitary forces are also doing all the needful remedial measures in the, to comply with the ECI.
So are you in?
We already have a discussion with all central agencies including BSF for needful compliance and to look after the border and other issues.
So how many?
So we have already taken care of the vulnerable and the critical polling stations, and the facts will be safe.
Sir,
The laws and in respect to voters are concerned, and we have very few network shadow areas, and the needful measures as per the protocol and SOP of the ECI, the action has already been ensured by the police in coordination with the technical service providers, and we have several round of the meeting at the state level as well as the level of the IT department, which is the nodal department, to ensure the proper communication in as much as possible areas. There is a software, a particular app also called the ESMS, expenditure for the expenditure monitoring. So through app also all the nodal agencies are placed on time reporting also happening, and all the route chart, exit and inflow, all those things in respect to the money, freebies, liquor, drugs, all those things have already been worked out by the state police team and the administration along with all the concerned central agencies. So detailed plan had been chalked out, and if you might be aware, there was a huge increase in the seizure of different type of the freebies like the money, etc. So during the previous assembly election, so we are intensifying all the action in respect to the freebies and money power is concerned. So to make it totally inducement free election. Press note that will be shared with you, so you may go through. But moreover, first of all, there will be the 24-hour and 48-hour period in respect to removal of the all the defacement of the property and everything, the poster, etc., which is not as per the ECI's mandate. So accordingly, the necessary action will be taken by the districts in the field for the compliance of the MCC related instructions of ECI. And moreover, since you are quite experienced, you know in respect to MCC, so the new works, new schemes can't be initiated, and if the ongoing works are there, so those works can continue, and there are the, in similar way, there are the detailed instruction of the ECI in respect to MCC. Parliamentary constituencies also, Shillong has traditionally lesser voting in compared to Tura. So we have worked out the polling station-wise turnout implementation plan, and accordingly we work out our strategy involving the grassroots level institutions and youth and other measures to motivate the young voters, to counter the urban apathy, youth apathy, and to ensure larger participation at different level. So this is a challenge, and all the district election officers are also doing the all needful preparations to increase the voting in forthcoming local elections.
Sir, regarding our international border areas, are you asking DSF to...
This is the trend in the people. They are sometimes applying several times, offline, online also several times, with the different details. Like sometimes they are giving mother's name or father's name or short name, abbreviation or full name in that way. So due to that, it is sometimes very difficult to find out if the same person is or different person. So, but we have taken all the necessary measures to ensure there should be no dual effect to be held by any voter.
This kind of violence should not happen during the polls.
All the necessary remedial measures are already being taken up by the police department and our team of the home department, police department, along with there will be the deployment of the central forces also. So we are ensuring all the needful measures for the peaceful elections, and team is very much active to do all the needful action.
What is the additional requirement of paramilitary?
Our central forces are going to be placed in the Meghalaya, so it will cater the need of the
How much
land.
is being projected by your office?
So we will share subsequently once after the final instruction will come from this. We are already taken our the EMCC implementation teams will be there, and any such thing, the media monitoring or anything will come. We have the all mechanism as per the ECI's instruction to take care and to ensure needful action in those regards.
Recently